Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can adjust the settings to change how the touch screen will respond to touches on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, we go down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on touch. Next, tap on touch accommodations. And at the top here, make sure you turn on touch accommodations so that you can use the settings that you set down here. After that, you can change the hold duration. So tap on hold duration toggle button to turn it on. Let's say here touch accommodations is enabled. Now you can see here the lowest that you can change is 0.1 seconds. Touch and hold on the add button will increase by an increment of 0.5 seconds. 0.05 seconds. So every time you tap on the add button, it will increase by 0.05. And so adjust your hold duration, or you can switch it off. And the next settings is your ignore repeat. So you can change the ignore repeat, and you can also change the time. So here we got 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.35, and all the way up to 0.4. So adjust how it suits you best. Lastly is the tap assistance. So it is set to off. You can choose use initial touch location, use final locations. Now so here enable tap assistance to allow any single finger gestures to perform a tap. So select one of the options, and that's it. So if you go into touch accommodations and switch it on, it will allow you to readjust your screen response to touches based on the settings in here. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.